So I'm having students. She's student there. Yeah, that teacher. But remember, all of us, any of us can get sick at any time.
True.
And we need each other. So that's why you hear the song we say, teamwork make the dream work. The dream team.
Yeah.
Because the dream team is the team of the universe. And when you move as one, you move as a children of the universe, and you keep yourself connect to Mama Earth, and you know, say what ya, life is everything. Life for you, life for me. And I'm say again, all the donors, enough respect. Start to make it work. We can make it work.
We can make it work.
Yeah, one top again. We can make it work. Yeah. We can make it work. As we said, remember, in a teamwork make the dream work. Remember, we said
teamwork make the dream work.
That's why unity is strength. Get up, stand up for your rights. Get up, stand up, don't give up the fight, because every day life is a fight. And anytime you're sick, you have to fight back. Don't give up and say, doctor, you have 3 months to live. We're going to sit down and fret and say, Lord, I have 3 months to live. No, ask yourself, what you going to do? Question yourself, what I'm going to do. And you buck up a man like Kino. And Kino say, what? I know a little man named Snagga, the herbal, but he can help you. That's how Kino bring the client them, and I just go, I'm a visitor, I'm say, why we look at my name Sam? Why you help him get 3 strokes? And we don't want him get the foot.
Me don't know what them a pre-bout. I Kino, can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me, try so hard then want me feel, want me pop down and lose me feel. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry.
Snagga. Good conversation, good message, good timing. Because that's what life is about, everything. Life never remain one way. Keep evolve, keep change. So that's why your health go ups and down. Today we feel good, tomorrow we feel bad. But you have to know if you stay focused, so correct the mistake. Because life is like that, test you. If you keep up, you keep up with it. If you not keep up, it gone left you.
True.
Say it again. You hear the voice?
Different.
You hear the voice?
Say it again and here.
Say it again.
Yeah.
Stop. You're not stuck now, because you drink your thing there. And you feel the energy. Right. You understand me? This is Sam. As I tell you, say we have build Sam and we have make God heal Sam. Because God have inner Sam, you know. No man where you see. Every man is equal with that thing named life, the inner vice, that strength we will call God Almighty, no matter what you want to call it. But she saw me now. So you say, talk to me and say what you say. Love. Alright, yesterday some could have barely could have shout.
Yeah.
Now Shama shout because what? You get the mineral and the nutrition and all my for do, me tell him say couple days time. Couple days can be 3 weeks, 2 weeks, 4 weeks, so
months,
couple days months, but some hour get better cause talk to the herbal man. Come reason with the herbal man. We come fit clean the body, heal the body, flush the body, and we build back the body. So anything wrong with the body, man, the body can heal itself. All you have to have that self-confidence, self-reliance. That I teach us, Marcus Garvey. And Bob Marley say what? Don't give up. Them are tired to see your face. Them can't give you out of the race. So watch ya. Have that self-confidence and know so what? Jah live, children. Yeah. So Jah live and life live. Yes. Yeah. No. The one where it dissolve out is the powder one where we mark the algae. It dissolve out. You just put that water and drink it. It can dissolve in your body. Next one them you strain them. You draw them through hot water upon them and strain them. They are your mineral. Them all keep up back whole energy level, the whole circulation.
Banana this man.
Yeah man, no problem.
The water.
Yeah.
And when throw water no find that toxic.
No problem now, you know, because mineral, because the body know for break down that you know, like a stone or dirt or iron, a bush. So when you go in here, it turn mineral. So if you drink the good drug, then I know something out there, stoppage of water. You alright? Which alright, go feet and come. Yeah man, says all about when we say we are Kino, link up anytime you see Kino and you want to find me, you just call Kino and you find Herbal Man because this is the teamwork we make the dream work.
Yeah.
And me a part of the team because it's not something I can associate myself from. It's something I have involved with because anytime I see anyone that do something good towards life, my duty is to support that because Kino do good and we Kino do next man do, enough man have the knowledge to do it, enough man have to spend time to do it because you might get frustrated. I'm now a patient because the work with Kino do you have to be patient. And patient is a virtue. I remember patient build Asian because the Asian people them come from what? Patient works. So we Kino do a great work. So all the donors them, enough respect, enough respect. Saying enough respect to the donors then.
And see Snagga now, see him now, Baja, him are the motivational teacher, him are the teacher for everybody.
Yeah, well.
So him are give him time,
well,
volunteer.
So this is the teacher and him giving time because time is essential. And time is important. And no matter where you do something you say you now get paid, you get paid man. Because the more life you live and the longer you live, the pay you get. And the more nicer you feel when you live long because we look around us, how much people see die and gone. How much people mash up, how much people blind, deaf, dumb, all kind of things. We they alive, so we do our great part now is to do good and do good. So a teacher is always have to teach. And a teacher is what make life motivate and go on and on and on because the advice and his words are very important. So enough respect yourself. Love and honor. See, we go back to Sam, you know. Great Sam, we hear about Sam Cook. Sam, the great man. As one of Sam's students.
Yeah, so Sam, not teacher son.
Yes, Sam's student. And we have to teach him Sam?
For well.
Oh, for well, and Sam is a welder.
Yeah, I Sam make them cheer here.
Sam make them cheer here, you know. Sam is a welder.
He never have the energy to move on by himself.
Alright. Yeah.
This can cook and rice, don't?
Yeah, this can cook with rice. So this that one is the seaweed powder. The seaweed powder now you cook it with the rice. You can steam it with your vegetable. You can boil with your porridge. And you can boil with yam and banana and pumpkin. Drink the hot water. You understand me? And this now, this is you cook out. This is the one you put in the water. The one you're supposed to drink, the one you have to drink some of the water. No. Because this is the one that help you recreate back cells and tissue and help back with your energy. Yeah. And this one you know again now, the instant, it's an instant nourishing food for the body. You boil the water, throw it on it and make it soak and drink it. I can just put in some cold water and make it soak for 3 hours and just drink the water. No, this can't go in the food. Them two you can go in the food. Because them this is the sea mash powder. and these are the algae, which is seaweed, and the watercress and water lily. Yeah. Yeah, so drink some other one, your juice, tea or anything. You can cook your rice and so. And you don't feel energy, man, because them come to energize you. So Sam is here, and Sam is a welder. Sam having student. She's student there. Yeah, that teacher. But remember, all of us, any of us can get sick at any time.
True.
And we need each other. So that's why you hear the song we say, teamwork make the dream work. The dream team, because the dream team is the team of the universe. And when you move as one, you move as a children of the universe, and you keep yourself connect to Mama Earth, and you know, say what ya, life is everything. Life for you, life for me. And I'm say again, all the donors, enough respect to you, because you is a part of the dream team. I want to make the dream work, because when you have a man, exactly, when you have a man who can't help himself, because enough people live and can't buy sugar, can't buy nothing, and there, and it could happen to you too, but you know, it never happened to you because you stay focused and you keep up with life, you keep moving. Well, the next man weak, him not so strong, so we the strong enough to help weak, we are a link. We are a link, a chain. So when one fall down, help up your brother, because you cannot fall down and the same man will help you.
Of course.
So that's why them say what goes around comes around. Enough people make money, you know. And when they make money, them squander it and do all kind of thing and don't help people. And when them fall down, there's nobody to help them. And then them cost people. Because what? You make your bed hard, you lay at night hard, and what you sow is what you reap. So we say teamwork. So big up Kino again. I tell you, the Kino work is important, because Kino find time to get a camera and hook up with the universe. Cause one time we never have them technology where we can hook up and I beg people in China, Africa, Russia for help. And people out there help, because God in every human being, and God say, alright, that man have to help you. No, I mean that man help you. Some people say that man I mean. When that man have to help you, God just go in there and say, help, do up. And him listen to the advice, and you couldn't believe that man they give him much $1,000 for help Sam, for help Scanner, for help that and help that, because that's how we go. We do our part, you know. When me come, me never get a bag of money away.
No.
Me just come and give my heart. And me get back something too, because what people say, so what, me do my part, and people do them part. I mean, I think we just say,
grateful.
Share it. Kino say, hey, and say that and that, because Kino is the man. Kino is the man, and you is the man and woman, and I am the man, because everybody have a part to play in life. Everybody, once you come in this universe, you have to know where you're going and where you're coming from, what is your purpose and what is your duty. Your duty is to do good, and good follow you. So, my people, just love and respect. We're going to get Samuel. Same like I want to say, Scanner get well, and Scanner get up and walk. Hey, me feel proud of myself from home last night. I know me still.
I think about it. From look over Scanner and give him the package I come get Sam. Me never see Scanner back until me say me have to show some respect to Bob Marley, one of the greatest man that walk planet Earth. Bob Marley, Dada Marley. See, and when I come down at Bob Marley place and say I look on the yard we burn down, and if them start recreate it back and build it back, and I say the road look pretty, and I say yes, big up Bob Marley, big up Dada, big up. When I say get up, stand up for your rights. Get up, stand up, don't give up the fight, because every day life is a fight. And anytime you're sick, you have to fight back. Don't give up and say, doctor give you 3 months to live. We're going to sit down and fret and say, Lord, I have 3 months to live. No! Ask yourself, what you going to do? Question yourself, what I'm going to do. And you buck up a man like Kino. And Kino say, well, I know a little man named Snagga, the herbal, but he can help you. That's how Kino bring the client. I just go, I'm a visit and say, well, a little man named Sam. Why you help him get 3 strokes? And we don't want him get the 4th strokes. So what we do? Bring in the mineral. Today, me hear Sam Vice strong. I'm say yes, the mineral and the nutrients. See them now man there, and them have them liquid. So all Sam have to do is just praise God and live. You ever think when your confession is good for the what? Soul.
For the soul. So go to God, talk over your spirit and say, God, forgive me. God, nobody is perfect. We all do make mistakes. And when we make mistakes, we get punishment for it.
And we learn from it.
And we learn from the mistake, and we learn from the punishment, and we rise up back. If you fall down, get up. Nobody sit down and cry. So, Kino, enough respect again. And people, I'm going to check out now. Remember, 876-884-8176. Call me any part of the world you're there. And if you can't get me in time, you call Kino, you will get me, because Kino see me regular. Sometimes we are Kino link up and have a phone with. A spirituality, cosmic power, cosmic energy. We pick up our energy and say, go check Kino. And I say, alright, drive go check Kino. And Kino say, boy, I'm welcome man. We just talk about young calling him, you know. See me, him sick with him back. Alright away, we just look out for that. So, yeah, peace out.
Snagga. Snagga, so.
Well, I'm there with the dream team. You hear it, name?
Dream team.
That means, you know, say teamwork make the dream work. We don't know teamwork, the dream can't work. So it's teamwork make the dream work. And we say the dream team now. Me a part of the dream team because when you talk about the human family, it's human being. So he's a part of the dream team. And remember now, unite we stand, divide we fall. So right now,
Rasta Jackson.
where you see I go on here now, we are build up a gates and a place to someone, right? And we have set the foundation. Same like you see we have set the foundation. When the body are collapse, so the man must set the block them and so well I saw me build back the nerves them, the organs them and the clean the blood and recreate back cells and tissue. That's my job. I have the knowledge. I have the wisdom because what? It's all about each one teach one. So remember, you know, each one teach one. So the dream team, them move with each other. Teamwork make the dream work. So see it here, look on it.
See that.
See it, look.
Rasta Jackson.
Rasta Jackson.
You know, Snagga just mentioned something, say, united what?
Unite we stand, divide we fall.
And that's our anthem. You know, and so the man who created as well to bring the energy coming in the team. And make everyone say, yo, united we stand.
And divide we fall.
We have all the team song as well, you know, because we always have the team song, you know. Mingle with the dream team, they say, you see what I go on. See him way.
See it here.
So this is the team.
The team this. The dream.
Jackson, how it go?
Live.
How the song go? United
we stand,
divided we fall. And if our back should ever be against the wall,
we live together
forever, you and I. Tell him again. Again.
Oh, united we stand,
Tell them.
divided we fall. And if our back should ever be against the wall, we live together forever, you and I. The man say, if our back against the wall, we still live together, you and I. So no matter where you go, ups and down, in and out, just stand firm, focus, don't give up, because it's a pressure build people, you know. Pressure not kill you, you know. Pressure make you know who you are, you reach inside for the inner man and the deeper power, deeper strength. So united
we stand, sure. Divided we fall.
And if our back should ever be against the wall, we live together forever, you and I. That's how we remix it. You always say, unite we stand, divide we fall because we not get amongst each other, so we must fall. But when we unite, the current and the cosmic energy flow, so it puts us together and make us stay focused, because we can't say Mr. Jackson want this, we can't say sister me need this, and she say I'm in have this, we can't say this, that, and check each and every one and what we contribute. So that's why we say
united we stand, divided we fall. And if our back should ever
be against the wall, we live together forever, you and I.
Sure.
That's why we say unity is strength. It's strength is that energy, that vibration, that are the current of the planet. Strength.
Yeah.
Without that strength, we don't exist. See the sun there, I give us energy. And without the sun, we die. So everything connected. The moon, the sun, the star, heat, water, air, the atoms, the particles, and the atoms. So we are carbon being. The carbon we stand.
Sure. Divided we fall.
And if our back should ever be against the wall, we live together forever, you and I. That's why we are telling the donor them, say the donor them, when you donate anything, it coming back to you because we are push out something, you help and you strength each other because we are connected. See, they look on it and unity, you know, we are build up. We are build up, see it and build, mix cement and malt and we need that for do. Clean up anything wrong with the biocellular structure, clean the body, build the body, flush the body and
Clean the body and
talk to the herbal man. Again, united we stand,
divided
we fall, and if our back should ever be against the wall, we live together
Dream Team Vice.
forever, you and
Energy, my energy.
Energy.
Tell them again. Energy. Energy.
Oh, united we stand.
Yeah, energy.
Divided we fall. And if our back should
Energy.
ever be against the wall, we live together forever, you and I.
Sweet,
I'm telling you now, it's a forever thing. It's a life, it's forever. No man can destroy life because when you think you destroy life, you're going to destroy yourself.
True.
And that mankind, I don't know where them create them virus and them sickness here and I try to destroy humanity. You cannot get humanity and get out humanity because what? It's like the flowers and the plant and the trees, them keep recreate themselves. So the human life always created because what? Life is always here. See it alive.
Eternal.
Night we stand.
Yeah.
Divided we fall.
Sure.
And if our back should ever be against the wall, we live together forever, you and I. So what? We are forever people. We say we are what? Forever people. Because we are here to stay. We are not going away. Because what goes around comes around. So what you give is what you get. What you sow is what you reap. So my people, reconnect yourself back to life. You're disconnected. You divide. That's why you're falling. See we are? We stand together. What we are doing? United we stand. We stand. Divided we fall. And if our back should ever be against the wall, we live together forever, you and I.
Drop in the song, make you hear it.
Not to be drop in the song, drop in the
Drop
song.
in the song.
We can make it work. Work
Can make it work.
Yeah.
Go again.
We
Can make it work. Can make it work.
Unite. Yeah. The Donnas that make it work.
Work.
Kino, you make it work.
Work.
And Jella, you make it work.
Work.
And look, you make it work.
Work.
And Natty, you make it work.
Work.
And Snagga, you make it work.
Work.
We
Can make it work. We can make it work.
Yeah. One top again. We
Snagga.
can make it work. We can make it work. As we said, remember, you know, teamwork make the dream work. When we said
Teamwork make the dream work.
That's why unity is strength. Come together. Say we come together and we are built. We are built. We not kill. Because we are divided, you know. At the day they are dead because so we are follow with the man. When we come together, hold on together, the current flow. See it? Strength. Cosmic energy. Strong togetherness. So people, remember, life is forever. And you come to life, and if you want to fight life, you will dead left life. So we will together make it work.
Steppers that smell like cow skin.
Tell you what, bad.
Smell
Just
like
get jello piece, look a while. Nobody ramping me when they are sharing it. You get
smell like cow skin.
Yeah.
Need a spin around sweet.
Maybe throw it in your mouth. There's
Then
the
we
step
go.
out.
Now we have the slices.
Slice brown stew. Natural cooking
The
fish.
slice
Yeah,
brown.
see.
Look at this one.
Natural, you know?
Slice brown.
You see, no ketchup on it, that's cooked naturally.
Right then.
You see?
But now tell you the fish look good, but the chicken food smell better. Fish look good, the chicken food smell
But wait till you
better.
taste the fish.
Chicken food smell like tripe.
So the taste
curry
of the
tripe.
fish too. Because I tell you, the fish, but the fish tastes really good.
Yeah.
All style cooking, you call them cooking.
Well, it's a fry and cook down.
Fry and cook down. You see? You look at sauce on it. You know? With Irish and carrot. No okra at all.
Is it not okra?
You no okra not in there, nothing.
It's Irish and
Yeah, and carrot.
What if you don't have okra?
No, taste it. And every time you go use okra.
Table.
You a man, and then thing I said that, but more time, you don't eat a fish without the taste, the okra. Now eat okra every week.
Yeah, that's I always eat it. Vegetable. Eat it 7 times for the
Oh,
week.
wait till you can eat that fish.
Whoa.
Then you go say, alright. And we have to cook.
Yeah man, but I always want okra, man. I can't leave out the strength. Man,
So we gonna get okra right now.
you gone already?
No, okra.
Okra, okra can't go right now.
I remember me running up on the okra.
Alright.
One cold
I want your face, Jamaica, come on, paper. I want your face, man, cause next day there, you know. Yeah, cause okra the main thing for back, you know.
Exactly.
Okra the main thing for back. Good for the nerves too.
Yeah.
Yeah, they boil okra, you drink the water. And you see me I said, good for nerves, so.
the slime water.
I said nothing to people, man. I get the okra like again, man. You see me I said,
Okra on the back the next time.
Yeah.
Alright, Maureen. Yes, some of them, Maureen. Alright, Maureen. Plain rice, plain as it be.
Plain rice, you know. Another rice.
Plain as it be.
Plain rice.
See, there's a plain go with a curry.
Yeah.
You know, thing like a curry, you know.
Curry.
White and yellow.
Yes, a different thing.
These are good
Different
mix.
spice. Because the way we cook everything, we have tone down for certain thing. You understand? And easy going. And I
Yeah.
think that.
Well,
Curry
ma-
and rice, white rice.
yeah, well, the team so finish work, you know. Come on, come feast.
Yeah.
You know it go
One
already.
whole part, 2 pot of rice too. So one more over the sauce steam. The one I run out, one more over this.
Alright, and the foot them enough, run up
the
and back.
steppers them enough.
No.
They can't ball.
Yeah.
Blessed love. You see to the donor of the world. Keeping yourself safe. And keep doing it into dream team. You see one team.
It's the only real
The
team.
only real team.
The only real team. We're gonna think of pots and pots and pots and pots. Maybe the plates now and get.
Yeah man, we done cook man. You know, sharing time now.
Sharing is also caring.
Sharing. So you know, sharing.
From you know, Peter. Peter, that was something.
Yeah.
Banana, somebody that asked for you, you know, on the video, you know. Somebody in the comment section say, where's banana? Somebody let them see and like, you know. Yes, Maureen. Yes, Maureen.
Watch out now. You see, life in Jamaica. You hear that Kira Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. It's gonna be a better end.